Hi guys. I'm just waiting for everyone to join in. Doing I'm going to be live with my very dear friend Pooja Makhija, who is an ace nutritionist, and she's gonna tell us how to cheat in lockdown. I'm just waiting for Pooja to send me a request, and I'm waiting everybody to join in quickly. I'm also equally excited to know कि पूजा क्या टिप्स देने वाली है, because trust me, in this lockdown, मैं भी बहुत खा रही हूँ, and I don't have a sweet tooth, but suddenly I have this craving of having cakes and muffins and everything possible, because you're bored, you're sitting at home, you're watching TV. Okay, Pooja, I can't see your request yet. Okay, I added you, Pooja. I'm waiting for your confirmation if you can see me. Pooja!
Hello.
Hi. So,
How are
that's my very beautiful nutritionist, or you can say a guide when it comes to food, Pooja Makhija.
Thank you. Oh, I got a hi from your pet as well. He's in all your videos.
He just loves me. He wants my attention. The moment I'm doing something, I'm shooting, or I'm on a video, he just wants my attention.
Like all babies, no? Like all babies, they always want to be the mama's apple of the eye.
Really, and then he'll take my chappal away, or he'll take my band away. That give me attention. Such a cute.
Okay, so hello and welcome.
A lot of people watching us, and I'm loving it.
Yes. So welcome to everyone. We are going to be talking lots and lots about food, and lots more food. And the idea being that we are going to talk about how to eat and how to cheat during the lockdown, because as we all know, nothing is more important today than our health. And the fact that we are all locking ourselves in our homes is because we want to stay safe, we want to stay healthy, and we want to stay keep our immunity up, because danger is lurking outside, and the only way that you can take care of yourself is by what you're going to put inside. So when we decided,
generally I don't have a sweet tooth. So before you logged in, I was just telling them that I don't have a sweet tooth. I'm a Gujarati, okay? But in spite of that, I do not have a sweet tooth. But me sitting at home, locked down, I suddenly have started craving for cakes and chocolate, not chocolates per se, but anything with chocolate cake, or maybe a muffin, or maybe maida. I don't know what is wrong with me. So how do you stop?
So one quick tip here always is, the minute your sugar cravings go up, what you need to focus on is your protein intake. Because whenever our protein requirement increases and intake reduces, it leads to sugar cravings. So if you feel that suddenly out of nowhere you're craving meetha, is because your body is demanding more sugar, protein. If you focus on your protein needs, automatically your sugar cravings will get much better.
Achha.
So, and proteins are quite the need of the hour right now, because your immunity also depends on your protein intake. So, they are your soldiers, your guards, your white blood cells, your WBCs. That's what keeps your fort up. So, the better the quality of protein, the stronger the immunity, and the lesser the sugar cravings. So, it works on two fronts.
what vegetarians can eat in protein and non-vegetarian. Of course, non-vegetarian a lot of people know, but if you can just tell all the fans.
For the vegetarians, of course, our dals, pulses, legumes, sprouts are our best sources for protein. Our nuts are also a good source of protein. If you use soya or soybean products or edamame products, they are also a great source of protein. Milk and milk products to some extent have protein in them. But otherwise, our majority of the source will come from the pulses. What I would recommend is if every time you are not able, so basically, if you want to keep good protein intake, you have to make sure that 1/4 of your plate at your 2 main meals or even 3 main meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, 1/4 of your plate should be protein. So for example, अगर आपने नाश्ते में दाल का चीला along with रोटी या ब्रेड खा लिया, और आपने स्प्राउटेड चना चाट खा लिया, ऑफ कोर्स लंच में हमने दाल चावल खा सकते हैं, राजमा चावल, छोले चावल, all of that is great. But if you don't want have a protein source at each meal, what I would suggest is you take whole moong or mut, उसको sprout करो, फिर उसको dry करो. Why we sprout it is because when we sprout it, it's partially digested, so it's easier for us to break it down, and the quality of the antioxidants increases and the quality of the protein also increases. So sprout किया, फिर sprout करने के बाद आप उसको oven में सूखे मसाले के साथ dry कर लो. So say for example, you put lots of kothmeer, pudina, a little bit of hari mirch, little bit of amchur. You put all of that and then you dried it into the oven and you made it like chatpat snack. Or what you could do is then don't put too much of the masalas, but just dry roast the moong and powder it and keep it. Then say for example, आपके कोई meal में protein lacking है, तो सिर्फ आपने 2 चम्मच वो उठा के सब्जी के ऊपर sprinkle कर दिया, या सैलेड में डाल दिया, या छाछ में डाल के पी लिया. At least you got your protein intake of that meal. So that's how important it is to keep your protein intake good.
Oh, like that. Okay, so my thinking and my study said that if I remove, like one of my doctor had told me, my skin doctor had told me that if you omit dairy products and sweets and wheat from your diet, half of the battle is won. So correct me if I'm wrong, or people who can't live without milk, what to do, because a lot of people, when I tell them that I don't have dairy products, and they're like, दूध के बिना कैसे रहते हैं यार, मतलब दूध चाहिए, छाछ चाहिए, पनीर चाहिए, you know, all that basic चीजें चाहिए, तो हम कुछ टीवी पर नहीं आते हैं, तो हमको ये सब नहीं करना है. So that's the answer I keep getting. So you tell me what is the right thing to do?
So definitely gluten intolerance, lactose intolerance, and what you mentioned was sugar. These are the 3 most inflammatory foods in our diet. When we say inflammatory, means any disease is caused because of inflammation. Inflammation is जब भी कुछ भी लाल हो जाता है, या red हो जाता है, या hurt होता है, या bruised हो जाता है, it becomes red. So that's an inflammation. So all foods in our system which make it increase inflammation and therefore cause cold, cough, acne, indigestion, gas, bloating, diarrhea, ये सब छोटे-छोटे symptoms हैं. And then the bigger symptoms of inflammation are cancers and diabetes and heart attacks. So all diseases start from inflammation. And today more and more research is telling us that gluten, dairy, and sugar are the most inflammation causing foods in our diet. So what I would recommend to most people is, not only if you want to look good for television, it's not because we want to be as beautiful an actress as Karishma, it's because we want to stay healthy and be the boss of your lives and don't let doctors take over your lives. That's when we need to start taking care of our diet. So दूध नहीं पीना है तो nut milk पी लो. For example, आप बादाम का मिल्क बना सकते हैं, आप ओट्स का मिल्क बना सकते हैं, आप बहुत सारी चीजों का दूध बना सकते हैं. If you go online and see these recipes, there are very, very easy recipes to make at home. You really don't need 20 ingredients to make almond milk. All you need is almond and water and you can make almond milk. So it's very doable. And अगर हाँ वो थोड़ा दूध में डालना है, breakfast cereal के साथ खाना है, you can easily do that. So to give a long story short, मैं भी दूध नहीं पीती हूँ, बट थोड़ा बहुत दही के साथ चीटिंग कर लेती हूँ. So दूध I have switched to nut milk, but थोड़ा बहुत few spoons of dahi in my chas, because that's something I absolutely love. So a spoon or two is a steal, yes. So see, remember guys, there's no rigid rules in life. जितने आप अपने lives में rigid rules रखोगे, उतना खाने से आप डरने लगोगे या उसको उतना खाना आपको वरी करेगा. We don't need to create more anxiety and stress. वो दुनिया में ऑलरेडी बहुत है. प्लीज खाने में मत लाइए. खाने में स्ट्रेस लाना इज पर्पस डिफीटेड. सो ठीक है, व्हाट आई बिलीव इज ऑलवेज
कि मेरा वजन नहीं कम हो रहा है. एवरी डे माय मदर सिट्स नेक्स्ट टू द वेइंग मशीन एंड शी इज लाइक मेरा वजन कम नहीं हो रहा है, खाने में स्ट्रेस है. तो मम्मा इज लिसनिंग टू योर कन्वर्सेशन. वेरी
गुड, बिकॉज
के लिए है ये.
बिकॉज हम जितना अपने वजन के बारे में स्ट्रेस करेंगे गाइस, प्लीज रिमेम्बर, उतना ही आपका वजन स्लो हो जाएगा, वेट लॉस स्लो हो जाएगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू लूज वेट एंड यू वांट टू लूज वेट वेल, प्लीज स्टॉप fixating and please stop worrying about your weight. The more you stress, the more cortisol you release and all your weight loss stops. जो भी आप एक्सरसाइज कर लो, जिसी का भी डाइट फॉलो कर लो, पूजा मखीजा को फॉलो करो या ब्लाब्ला को फॉलो करो, आपका डाइट काम नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि cortisol is like a curfew. If there's a curfew in the country, say for example there's a curfew in the country and then I stand up and say, oh sorry मोदी जी, हमारे रास्ते में खड्डा है, खड्डे में रास्ता है, नहीं सॉरी, रास्ते में खड्डा है. Automatically no one's going to pay heed to my reason, because we are in a lockdown or we are in a curfew. Yeah. So what we have to do is we have to find out what is more important. So the minute you will stress, cortisol will stop your weight loss. So auntie ji, no stressing about your weight. Do your role in terms of good exercise and in terms of good food, and automatically the weight loss will come. Similarly with खाना, gluten नहीं खाना है, dairy नहीं खाना है, उसको at least if not 100%, keep it like a 80-20 rule. Majority of the time उसको avoid करें. थोड़ा बहुत अगर आपको tweak करना है and you don't really need to get worked up about it, do it. That's the way I believe that we need to eat, cheat even in lockdown.
Right.
इसलिए कि आप,
what about cheese?
What about cheese? So you do get dairy-free cheese as well. So if you are really trying to, if you eat too much of cheese, then I would say try the dairy-free cheese, because too much of dairy products is not good. But if you do a little bit of it, then like I said, if it's an 80-20 rule, thoda bahut cheese, even I do a little bit of cheese, but you don't overdo it. So it's an 80-20 rule is what I believe always.
Okay, perfect. And tell me my personal question, that what do you generally eat in your diet to have a glowing skin, to not have pimples?
अच्छा चल, ये आंसर तू, ये आंसर you only can give me back. चलो, what did I tell you when you told me you want to have great skin, which you already do, but you wanted to have even better skin? What was it that I told you to do?
For me to have a lot of water.
Guys, are you all listening? First tip is a lot of water. That's the simplest trick in the book. जितना ज्यादा पानी पियोगे उतना ज्यादा आपका स्किन ग्लो करेगा. Remember that. No, all dermatologists will tell you this, but we never listen. The simplest trick, no lakhs of rupees, no creams, no amount of packs and all those nuksas help if you don't drink enough water. And by enough water, I mean 3 liters of this bottle. Now, this is my 3rd bottle of the day. 2 are already over now. Till I sleep, ये 3rd वाला खत्म करना है.
No wonder you have a mind-blowing skin.
I'm telling you guys the simplest trick in the book. Simplest, not a rupee you have to spend. This is the cheapest way to have great skin. Okay, so tip number 1 was good amount of water, which Karishma will start right now. Samjhi? Okay, then tip number 2, Karishma dene wali hai. She is my nutritionist for today. Come on, aap batao, darling. Tip number 2 for great skin.
Have
1 glass of
1 glass of
vegetable
juice. Yeah. So I have it. I have palak. I put avla in it. I put
very good.
I put lemon, I put pudina, and sometimes if I want to put, I put cucumber, and I mix all of this, and I have a green vegetable ka juice.
Very good. So the best trick in the book is any 3 colors of sabzi which is there in your fridge. So for example, tomato, kakdi, palak, or carrot, beetroot, dudi, or karela, bhopla, tomato. जो आपके fridge में है, you want to put a red capsicum in it sometimes. It tastes really
Wow.
good. Huh? I love it with red capsicum and Tabasco and tomato. So it becomes like a Bloody Mary spicy chilled drink with Tabasco and Kala Namak. Yummy. So guys, the more you will experiment in terms of rainbow. So जितने आपके vegetables में rainbow होगा, जितने आपके plate पे rainbow होगा, उतने आपके skin पे colors होंगे, anti-aging होगी, black spots, pigmentation, wrinkles, acne, all of those will be eliminated. So 1 glass of raw vegetable juice. The trick over here is जैसे बनाए वैसे पिए, तो automatically the nutrition is retained. उसको बना के रख दोगे तो वो सारा न्यूट्रिशन लूज हो जाता है. सो जैसे बनाया वैसे पिया. You don't need fancy blenders and mixies. You can just put it in a normal blender in the house with a little bit of water. Blend, strain, put 50% of the roughage back, put little nimbu, kala namak, and slurp it down.
Oh, Mama, you listening? Very nice.
Yeah, Mama knows. Mama knows. Only you have to listen, rascal.
Is fruits good? As in the evening, a lot of people keep asking me. My friends only keep asking me कि हमको ये mango पसंद है, हमको ये fruit पसंद है. But उसका fructose is not fattening. Do you think?
Not at all. It's like saying, मैं अपनी गाड़ी में, if I told you that, is it okay to put petrol in the car even in the evening? Do you think my car will give less average or more average if I put petrol in the evening? Food for you is fuel. Please remember that. What time of the day you have it really doesn't matter. What matters is how you eat the fruit. The fruit should always be eaten and never drink. You never drink your fruit. Always eat your fruit. So don't drink your fruit juices. Always eat them as a fruit. No smoothies, no milkshakes, no fruit juices. Hamesha fruit khaएं. That's the best way to get the nutrition out of the fruit, and never let the fruit make you gain weight. अगर आप fruit पियोगे तो the fruit will make you gain weight, because then the fructose is too much for your body to use at one time. Then the added surge in the blood sugar levels will be stored in your body as fat. So you can eat a fruit any time of the day. Never eat it with your meals. Never eat it with lunch and dinner. Always eat it in the middle as a 2-hourly nice filler. Always eat it. Never drink it. And don't eat more than 100 or max 200 grams of fruit at one time. मतलब एक serving या 2 serving at one time max. उससे ज़्यादा अगर आप बहुत fruit साथ में खाएंगे तो automatically that will increase your blood sugar levels, and then fruit makes you gain weight. Otherwise, fruit is very innocent, very healthy, natural fructose, which is natural sugar. So sugar cravings ke liye it's one of the best things.
And is mango fattening? A lot of people
Not at all. I'm just going to be, I don't know where my mango is, but now is my time to eat my mango. Bas aata hi hoga. I had just put it in the freezer to chill. It fridge se nikal ke freezer mein dal diya tha, and I said now meko mera mango kaat ke dena. 6 baje is my mango time. So I'm a tad bit late. No guys, mango is not fattening. I eat 1 mango every day. Mango does not make your skin break out. Mango never makes you fat. Mango is delicious, healthy, antioxidant rich fruit. Please enjoy this king of fruits, because बहुत कम महीनों में आता है साल के. प्लीज उसको एंजॉय करें.
ओ, जितने लोग पूछ रहे थे मुझे कि मैंगो फैटनिंग है कि नहीं है, क्या है आपकी स्किन, त्वचा का and all that, this is what you should
Yes.
have. Papaya is also very good, correct?
Papaya is excellent as a detoxification. Papaya is very good for a good menstrual flow. Papaya is good for your skin, acne, everything. Actually, all fruits. So a client of mine was detected with COVID, and he sent me an email saying which fruit and vegetables are good for my immunity. So I said there is no demarcation here. All fruits and vegetables are good for your immunity, because they all have different antioxidants. So जितना अपने प्लेट में रेनबो डालोगे उतना ज़्यादा आपको उसका फायदा मिलेगा. So guys, if you all have any questions, please shoot so that we can we can answer all your queries on food and nutrition.
Yes.
Many of your fans from Pakistan are saying hi, sweetheart.
Hi everyone. बहुत सारे लोग ये भी पूछ रहे हैं कि शाम को क्या डिनर पे क्या खाना चाहिए. Everybody in the morning they follow the diet. क्या होता है? Include 5 mango. I can hear that.
That's what I just reminded her कि मेरा mango.
5, 5:30, 6 बजे के बाद ना I don't know what to eat because आप लोग बोलते हो ना हर 2 घंटे में खाओ हर 2 घंटे में खाओ. So after my lunch I don't know what to eat. I'm like literally clueless. So what I do sometimes is I have broccoli, peas, a little bit of sweet potato. उसका कुछ करके नमक मिर्ची डाल के I make like like patties and I have it.
Lovely. So evening time is usually peak hunger time. सबको बहुत भूख लगती है because the gap between lunch and dinner is quite large. So वो टाइम पे हमें और वो टाइम पे सिर्फ fruit या something is not something that keeps you full. You feel like eating something चटपटा. So I always would encourage you to make it more protein based. So say for example आपने काला चना का चाट बना लिया, आपने मूंग का चाट बना लिया. So ये चाट बनाने के लिए really कुछ ज्यादा ingredients की जरूरत नहीं है. You just require मूंग, ककड़ी टमाटर, कोतमीर, हरी मिर्च, तीखा चटनी which again is great antioxidants. हल्का सा मीठा चटनी डाल दिया. Mix it all up and eat it like one nice chatpata, like a nice chaat with some chaat masala and sukha masalas. So you can do that. You could make baked sweet potato chips. You can make carrot chips. You can make dal ka chilas. You can make sandwiches. So see, always remember that you should eat your food according to chronobiology. When you say chronobiology, you say your body burns much more at 8 a.m. versus 8 p.m. So your meals have to follow a similar gradient. So सबसे बड़ा breakfast, छोटा lunch और सबसे छोटा dinner. लेकिन छोटा dinner तभी आप खा सकोगे अगर आपने शाम को कोई अच्छा snack खाया हो. अगर लंच और डिनर के बीच में आपने कोई अच्छा स्नैक नहीं खाया, सिर्फ एक फ्रूट खाओगे तो फिर बड़ा डिनर बना लोगे. So it's always good to have one good evening snack and always keep your dinner small. So what should you eat for dinner? I would say eat whatever you're eating for lunch, but eat half the quantity. So say for example, you're eating 2 roti sabzi dal for lunch, eat 1 roti sabzi dal for dinner. Just reduce the quantity only because you're nearing bedtime and your body is therefore burning lesser. So that's known as eating according to chronobiology. That's the best science to follow. Of course, हमारे दादा परदादा ये हमेशा से बोलते आए हैं कि have a breakfast like a king and lunch like a prince and dinner like a pauper. So ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. But today, the more and more we are learning, the more and more we are testing the human body. So this was done according to a test. This is not something that I am saying. They took 20 subjects, they put 10 of them in one group, 10 in the other group. The first 10 group were given the exact same amount of calories at 8 a.m. and the other 10 were given the exact same amount of calories at 8 p.m. Then they were made to put in a calorie meter where their burning efficiency was checked. So they were given, for example, they had given them 500 calorie load at 8 a.m. and 500 calorie load at 8 p.m. Of the 500 calories at 8 a.m., 400 was burnt. But at 8 p.m., only 200 was burnt, 300 was surplus. Of the same food. It's not that even the food was different. The food and the calorific value was the same. So which is why if you learn to eat with the right science, you use the food to give you nurture and no fat.
Like that. A lot of people down are also asking brown rice or white rice. I have white rice.
Any rice, black rice, green rice, orange rice, purple rice, jo rice khana hai, kha lo. Just make sure that when you're cooking the rice, you throw the extra starch out. Don't make it in a pressure cooker or a closed button. Make it in an open pan so that you can put extra water and जब rice पक जाए तो वो पानी फेंक दो. पानी फेंक दोगे तो starch गिरा दोगे तो कोई भी rice चलेगा. And one medium size katori से ज़्यादा एक time पे चावल ना खाएं. If those 2 rules you take care of, then you can eat rice every day. I eat rice twice a day. My lunch is always rice. For all those who see my lunch pictures in my stories, I am always posting chawal because that's my patent lunch. 90% of the times my dinner is also rice, but sometimes it could be roti or bread, but mostly it's rice.
like that. And
Yes.
ये पूजा
Sorry, what are you saying?
बॉडी में जो हम लोग ये क्रेविंग्स होती है जो इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन वी सेड दैट यू इंक्रीज योर प्रोटीन इनटेक एंड ऑल, बट अगर स्वीट टूथ हो गया तो व्हाट इज द रिप्लेसमेंट टू शुगर?
I would say use natural sugars ना, मैंगो खा लो, डेट्स का कुछ बना लो, हल्का बहुत अगर आपको स्टीविया यूज करके कोई कोई डिशेस बनाने हैं, जैसे खीर बनाना है तो बना लो. यूज चिल्ड फ्रूट्स. So that's what I'm doing with my kids right now. I'm taking watermelon. So we just take watermelon and we take watermelon we cut fancy pieces and we keep them in the freezer. Then every time they feel like eating something thanda, something, like a crunchy. So it's literally like an ice popsicle. We just put toothpicks in it and then like lightly eat it like a lolly. Okay. So it's like a ice candy. So you can do lots of natural fun things to do, take care of your sugar cravings. Of course, ऐसे नहीं है कि we don't eat any brownies or cookies. My older daughter loves baking. तो आजकल रोज कुछ ना कुछ वो बना रही है. Today she's made for me carrot cake, but luckily or unluckily वो carrot cake बहुत कड़वा बन गया, पता नहीं क्यों. Okay, I don't know why, but so it's not that you don't cheat at all. Like I said, it's always a 80-20 rule, guys. अगर 80% of the time आप अपने डाइट का ध्यान दे रहे हैं, पानी अच्छी तरह से पी रहे हैं, प्रोटीन्स खा रहे हैं, फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं, वेजिटेबल जूस पी रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ी बहुत बदमाशी इज ओके, बिकॉज somehow food.
Now it's fine, I feel.
Correct. Because right now we need to keep our mental sanity in place, because it's been 60 days that we have been locked inside our homes, and this is not something that we ever imagined in our lives we will do. So the fact that this is a very different zone. So for me to say bilkul meetha mat khana, chocolate mat khana is a tad bit impractical. So which is why even I'm okay saying ठीक है, 80% of the time do it right. फिर 20% थोड़ी बदमाशी, थोड़ी अपने लिए खा लिया, exercise कर लिया. Sleep is very important, guys. I really want you, Karishma, to focus on people sleeping on time and people getting good quality sleep, because nothing can mess up your immunity as bad as lack of sleep. Sleeping is the only way your body recharges. It takes care of the repair, wear and tear. और अगर आपको चोट लगी हो, my mango is finally here. Okay, sorry. So this mango that I'm eating, guys, is a mango that has fallen off the tree in my house. So it's not the Alfonso mango. It's a mango tree that we have. It's some local delicious mango. So this is the mango I'm eating currently. It's khata meeta, delicious. Anyways, so the idea here, sorry, I was saying sleep. Sleep is very important, because if you don't sleep enough, your immunity will automatically become half. Your energy levels, your mood swings, your hormones, your skin, your aches and pains, your sugar cravings, everything will go haywire if you don't sleep enough. So for adults, we require at least 7 to 8 hours of regular sleep timings.
Okay.
अभी 11 बजे सोए, कभी रात के 2 बजे सोए, कभी सुबह के 4 बजे सोए, 6 बजे सोए is not the right way to sleep, guys. Your body heals only in the night. So if you're not sleeping in the night, your body is not healing. So my daughter usually fights with me and says that, Mama, I'm still sleeping for 10 hours. So what if I sleep at 2 o'clock and I wake up in the afternoon at 12 o'clock? It's not the same thing. Your body repairs when the sun is down. That's called eating according to your circadian rhythm. So your healing capacity is reduced if you're not sleeping. Even your growth hormones are not released. So if you want better hair, if you want better regeneration of your skin, you need to sleep on time.
Okay, like that. Nice.
And now, अभी हमारे लिए TikTok कर, कोई fun TikTok, such cute TikToks you do. They're adorable.
Thank you. I keep doing
How do you choose these? How do you choose them?
So I just go on TikTok and a lot of people keep complaining कि आपने TikTok क्यों बनाया है? TikTok China का है. And I'm like, guys, just relax. Like, this is the only source of entertainment, you know. And I don't know why my
No,
Coco has become snappy, but yeah.
he wants
He's
mama's
just
attention.
standing at no, he's standing at the main door, which is very unusual. He's standing at the main door and he's barking at somebody. Mama, is somebody outside? Nobody. It's just like he's just Coca.
He just wants your attention.
Yeah.
So, but guys, I just want to say I love your TikToks. They are a very fun way to make the mood light. Everyone is only telling us bad news and gloom and doom, and at least I'm watching this case study and that case study and that drug being used for COVID. So when I come on Instagram and I see your TikToks, they make me smile, and they relieve that anxiety and stress. So well done. That is also a very important thing to keep people's happiness quotient up. So you're doing a good job. Keep it up.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm just waiting. Bus, our conversation is almost done. I'm just waiting for you. What should we eat to increase immunity level? Someone asked me on my question page.
So guys, be very particular about a few vitamins I will tell you that you all can start taking to improve your immunity. Of course, you have to eat a balanced diet, which is no two ways about it. But I will give you 3 or 4 vitamins, which will, if you take these vitamins, it will help you improve your immunity. One of them is vitamin B12, especially if you're vegetarian. You are not getting B12 from your diet. It is only found in animal food. So B12 की एक supplement ले लीजिए. Just call up your chemist. Anywhere between 500 to 1500 micrograms of B12 की tablet आप ले सकते हो for the next 2 months. That will definitely keep your immunity up. The other thing you should take is vitamin C. At least 1000 milligrams of vitamin C. You can take effervescent tablet ले लो या chewable tablet ले लो. Selin is about 500 milligrams, so you have to take 2 of them every day. So you have to take B12, you have to take vitamin C. Even zinc is very important for your immunity. Anywhere between 20 to 30 milligrams of zinc you should take on a daily basis, because that will really improve the immunity factor strongly. Vitamin D. Now, vitamin D, usually we thought it's only for our bones and for our hormones, but it is directly related to influenza virus. A lot of studies have shown us that. I have made a lot of videos explaining the technical aspects of vitamin D and flu. You all could watch those videos on my Instagram, but in general, without doing a blood test, about 2000 IU of vitamin D is a very safe dose for all of us to be taking on a daily basis for 2 months, for the next 2 months. It's a very low dose because high doses need blood test, or blood test abhi hum karwa nahi rahe hain. So, and that needs a doctor's prescription medicine, which is why I'm giving you a low dose 2000 IU, which is safe for all adults to take during this time to improve your immunity. And lastly, I would say magnesium. Magnesium also is very effective to give you good sleep and improve your overall mood, because magnesium is directly related to your moods. And right now we all need to have a more positive outlook, and we don't need to be upset or depressed. So magnesium is a good supplement to take. About 300 milligrams of magnesium can be taken safely for the next few days. It's not indefinitely. Please remember, all the vitamins that I'm giving you is only for the next few. So the others could be taken for 2 months. Take magnesium for about 15-20 days, and then check with your doctor or your nutritionist before you continue taking it. So those would be the vitamins I would focus on, along with eating, of course, a balanced diet.
Okay. Yeah. This is a very good advice for a lot of people, because people generally don't know how to increase their immunity. वो लोग हमेशा समझते हैं कि घर के नुस्खे, of course घर के नुस्खे is also very important, but
Of course, yes.
also vitamins we must take.
Perfect. And is there any question we have to take, sweetheart?
I'm just seeing 1 second. Is there any question? What would be the
Hi, hair and makeup by Darshita. Hello. Thank you for your highs and loves and all of you. Someone wanted to know how they can take my diet online. So if you want to take a diet from me online, you just have to log on to nourishgenie.com. NOURISH. It's basically Nourish Genie. .com, and you will be able to get a diet from me online.
Perfect. Yay.
Okay, and that wraps up the session. Thank you so much, guys. I hope the session helped you all to learn how to use food as your weapon against COVID, because that's the strongest weapon we have. I would also like to tell you about a new restaurant which has opened, which gives very good healthy meals, and that restaurant is called Your Kitchen. अपने किचन में जाइए, अपने किचन में जाइए, खाना बनाइए, healthy खाना बनाइए. It gives 24-hour service. It gives free home room delivery. तो अपने किचन में जाइए, उसको यूज कीजिए. वहां पे बहुत हेल्दी खाना, बहुत टेस्टी खाना बनाएं और अपनी हेल्थ, अपने स्किन, अपने बाल, सबको अच्छा करें. That's what I tell each and every one of my clients, that when you leave the lockdown, shock the world on how strong, healthy, and beautiful you can be, because you use this period to get good hair, good skin, good weight loss, all of it. So make the most of the lockdown.
Perfect. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you so much for the lovely
Most
advice.
welcome. Done. And you continue making your TikToks, huh? हम wait कर रहे हैं.
It's coming right away.
Done. Okay, bye, auntie, and bye, sweetheart. Bye.
Bye. See you. Thank you. Bye.
Most welcome.